welcome back to my channel. It's Tamia's Beauty. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys my monthly maintenance routine, how I go from feeling like very down to feeling my very best. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. First, I'm going to be washing my face. I'm using the Body Shop Tea Tree Skin Clean Facial Wash. I will be shaving my face, so I have to make sure that I have a clean base. I like to keep my face damp, and I rub the product into my hands for 15 seconds, and then I will continue to wash my face for at least 60 seconds, and I rinse my face in warm to cold water. Now I'm going to be shaving my face. I like to apply a oil, which is the vitamin E oil, and then I'll just use my facial razor, which you can get from Amazon, Walmart, Walgreens, any of your local supply store, and I gently do it without giving my skin any type of irritation. I do use this once a month. Next, I'm going to be dry brushing. This product is from EcoTools. I do dry brush at least 2 to 3 times a week. This is something I recently picked up on. I noticed a huge difference into my skin, especially around the time that I do these routines. My skin feels absolutely great. I can definitely tell that my skin looks a little bit more smoother. It feels more smoother. It's just like the best step to take, especially when you're about to shave and have a steam shower. Now moving on to my hair into the shower. I have low porosity hair, so I have to make sure that my hair is completely damp before shampooing it. I'm using the Native Coconut and Vanilla Shampoo. I absolutely love this product. It's very moisturizing. It doesn't feel like it's gonna strip or dry my hair out, and it's absolutely amazing. I do use it twice because cleaning your scalp twice is very important so that you can really give it a good clean and get rid of any type of buildups that you have. So it's very important to make sure that you are very clean your scalps. Next, I'm using the same product, which is the condition. This conditioner really does melt into my hair to the point where I can just easily detangle my hair with my fingers without having a detangling brush. Sometimes, depending on how my hair feels, I will either go in with my hands or use a detangling brush to detangle my hair, but today, as you guys can see, I'm just using my hand to detangle the brush, and you can see how easy the slip is whenever I'm just going through my curls to detangle it, and afterwards I just rinse it out, because certain days now I don't always use a deep conditioner for my hair. I just simply use a shampoo and a conditioner to, wash my hair for the day. But it's very optional for you. After a while, you get to just learn and your curls and see what it's really like. So after this, my hair feels really great, so I didn't really need to put any type of deep conditioner. But at the end of the day, it's also your choice if you want to deep condition your hair at every single wash day. I just do it for every other wash day, and I do it for at least 30 minutes to an hour. But this time I just rinsed out my hair to make sure that it was squeaky clean, and just pinned it up and get it started for my body care into the shower. I'm going to be using the Olay Vitamin C body wash. I absolutely love it. I can see a significant difference into my skin. My skin tone has looking very much even, and they have a glow from the outside, which is amazing. Then I'm going to be using the Bodyologly Turmic and Honey exfoliating sugar scrub. After I use that, I will be shaving my legs, my arms, and every other areas of my body. You always have to make sure you exfoliate before you shave any part, just so you don't get any ingrown hairs or any irritation. And I will just end my shower after that. Outside my shower, I'm going to be using the 10 Skin Solution, so you don't have any type of ingrown hairs for where you have shaved. I'm using the Native Essential Enriched Deep Nourishing Serum, and I also paired it with the Bio Oil Skincare Oil. It makes my skin feel super moisturizing. And then in certain areas, I'm going to be using the Sweet Spot Labs Bikini and Bumps Eraser, just so I don't have any ingrown hairs or where I shave. And then I'm going to be using the Good Molecules Discoloration Correcting Body Treatment for my elbows and knees. First for my face, I'm going to be using the Witch Hazel Toner, and I just use this because it's very gentle for me, especially now into the morning. I don't want to use anything that have any type of harsh chemicals. Toner, I'm going to be using the Body Shop Tea Tree Daily Perfection Solution and the Garner Green Labs Brightening Serum Cream that also have SPF. I love using these products, especially both into the morning. I know that my skin will be protected and make sure that my skin is also moisturized. After that, I'm moving on to my hair. I saw this TikTok that had the most cutest hairstyle, and I wanted to be able to try that in today's video. I'm going to be using the Intense Hydration Leave-In Milk. This gives me such moisturization to my hair. I'm just going to be applying that to this section of my hair really thoroughly and make sure it's really in there. And then I'm going to be braiding my hair. I thought this hairstyle came out super cute and I absolutely loved it. This year I am challenging myself to do more versatile hairstyle with my hair, instead of just simply doing a wash and go. So I'm just going to be braiding out my hair, and then for the other section of my hair I'm going to be doing some Bantu knots. I'm going to be using the Strengthening Restore Styling Lotion for that other section for my Bantu knots. I'm just going to be twisting that part of my hair, putting them into a knot, and then be able to secure it with a elastic band. And I'm also using some perm rod with some mousse for the rest of my hair, and I did keep that on for the rest of the day and I did sleep into it. For my nighttime care, for my skincare, I'm using the Pan-Oxy Acne Foaming Wash and making sure I wash my face with this for at least 60 seconds. This wash is absolutely perfect for anyone who is having trouble with any type of acne. For my toner, I'm using the Good Molecule Brightening Toner, the Original Holistic Acid Serum, the Snail Mucin's Power Essence, and also the sheet mask from TonyMoly. I like to make sure I use a simple type of product and skincare routine, especially after I shaved my face earlier that day, just to make sure I don't add too much type of harsh chemical or harsh products onto my face to cause any type of irritation. You just want to keep something onto your face that can be able to protect your skin barrier, especially after you shave your face, because you got rid of a layer of dead skin. After applying the sheet mask onto my face, I did leave it on for at least 30 minutes, and after removing that, I just rubbed the rest of the serum onto my skin and I just went to bed. The next day I did my nails. I do my nails at home. It's very therapeutic for me. I'm using the cuticle remover. It's very important to do so that any products that you're going to be using, especially from gel nail polish to gel nail tips, it can be able to stick on better to your nails. So I'm gonna be using this cuticle remover tool for my nails. I know it looks like I'm doing it very harsh, but trust me, it's just a little bit speed up, but I'm using it very, very gently so I do not, cut yourself or harm yourself in any way. This is one crucial step that you should also take whenever you are doing your nails. After doing that, I'm going to be using this nail drill to remove the excess skin or cuticles that I did, and also buffing out my nails to give it a more flat area so that the nail tips that I'm going to be using in today's video can have a more smoother texture on my nails to be able to stick, especially when I'm going to be doing today. Nail tips that I'll be using in today's video, I got these from Amazon, and they are short square nail tips. I love them so much. And then I'm going to be using a nail prep dehydration. A dehydration is very important so that any type of oils that you have on your nails, that can be able to go away, because if you have any type of oils on your nails, any type of products you put on after that will not stay as long as you intended it to stay. After applying the nail tips, I just buff them down to have a more smoother surface, so I can just move on to doing the nail polish that I'll be applying in today's video. This is how the nails end up looking. They are smooth and they are so perfect. I absolutely love these nails. So before I apply anything, I will be using a gel nail polish today. So it's very important to use a gel base coat, so that way that the gel nail polish does not move anywhere. I already made the mistake of not using a base coat whenever you have a gel polish, and the nails polish completely came off. So after applying the base coat, I cure that for at least 30 seconds under a UV lamp. The color I chose today was a very light pink color, and I just apply that all over my nails. It's something really cute, especially now that spring is around the corner. So I just wanted something that is really simple, really cute, that can go with any type of outfit that I wear. And I do apply 2 coats of this, and I cure that for 60 seconds each time. Lastly, I will be applying the top coat. Top coat is very important so that the gel nail polish is in place, and it also gives a nice shine to your nail. When I apply that, I do cure under my UV lamp for at least 60 seconds. These are how my nails are looking. I absolutely love them. The color is perfection. But lastly, after I do my nails, I do apply cuticle oils. Cuticle oil is very important to make sure your nails are hydrated after you put them through so much with using a UV lamp. And I just rub that into my nails, and the nails look so good. This is the next day after my hair. I'm gonna be using a oil, and I'm just gonna be removing the perm rods. The reason why you use the oil whenever you removing a perm rod, so your hair doesn't like create any type of frizz, and it just keep the curls right intact. After you removing the perm rods, I just take each hair and I just separate them into 2s or into 3s depending on how the hair is looking, and I kind of just like fluff them out with a pick. But since the first day, I don't usually always pluck them out right away. I just let them do their own thing as the week progresses. So after I fluffed it out, I leave it and just let my hair be. Last thing I'm going to be doing today is my lashes. I'm using the Ardell Lash Glue. This glue lasted me for 2 weeks, and I'm pairing it with these lash clusters that I got from Amazon. I put my lash map right here on today's screen, which is something I usually stick to whenever I do my lashes. This lash glue lasts me about 2 weeks depending on if I want to keep them on any longer. You have to make sure that you use the actual lash glue remover to remove these, because they're not going to budge whatsoever. Glue, make sure that your lashes last long, especially if you're washing your face or in a very much steaming shower. They will make sure that they're on your lashes. After that, I just use a fan to make sure that everything is dry and it's sealed. And this is how my lashes came out today. I thought it was super cute and I absolutely loved it. That is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you click on that subscribe button and make sure you click on the notification bell to be notified whenever I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next one.